Chapter 4. Ehi Sudhir. Come on, Sudhir. Hello, students. Good morning.
Hello, teacher. Good morning.
Student, you must have heard subhashits, hymns, mantras, and songs, etc. in Sanskrit language. In order to know more about the subject of Sanskrit language, it is necessary to sing its verse literature, that is, songs, hymns, verses, or poems. Such Sanskrit language verses make our minds happy. Even if we don't know what it means, we enjoy listening to it. Isn't it?
Yes, teacher.
So today, let's listen and understand a beautiful poem in Sanskrit language. Ehi Sudhir, Ehi Suvikram. Come on Sudhir, come on Suvikram. Khelananganam gachham. Let's go to the playground. Dhavan, Kurdan, Chalanehe, Khelehe, Vajrakayatam Vindam. Let's achieve a strong body like the Vajra by games of running, jumping, and walking. Ehi Shushile, Ehi Mrunalini. Come on Shushila, come on Mrunalini. Pushpavatikam Gachham. Let's go to the garden. Vividhehe, Kusumir Vidhaya, Malam Vigna Vinashak Marcham. By making a garland of various types of flowers, let's pray to the destroyer of hurdles, that is Shri Ganesh. Ehi Dinesh, Pranav Ganesh. Come on Dinesh, Pranav Ganesh. Gnananidhim Sanchinuyam. Let's obtain, that is collect, the treasure of knowledge. Ehi Sharde, Girije, Varde, Gnan Varidho Viharam. Come on Sharda, Girija, Varda. Let's move about, that is swim, in the sea of knowledge. Tanva Manasa Hitam Charantah. We are doing good for people with our body and mind. Sada Gurun Anugachham. Let's follow our teachers, that is leaders. Bharat Matuhu Seva Satkarah. Mother India should be served and felicitated. Desh Hitartham Jivam. Let's live for the well-being of the country. Students, did you have fun listening to the poem?
Yes, teacher.
Nice! So let us understand by translating the poem. Part 1. Ehi Sudhir, Ehi Suvikram. Khelananganam Gachham. Dhavan, Kurdan, Chalanehe, Khelehe, Vajrakayatam Vindam. In this part of the poem, it says that come on Sudhir, come on Suvikram. Let's go to the playground. Let's achieve a strong body like the Vajra by running, jumping, and walking. It means to say that we should keep our body fit and healthy by doing exercises and playing various sports. Part 2. Ehi Shushile, Ehi Mrunalini. Pushpavatikam Gachham. Vividhehe Kusumer Vidhai. Malam Vigna Vinashak Marcham. In this part of the poem, it says that come on Shushila, come on Mrunalini. Let's go to the garden. By making a garland of various types of flowers, let's pray to the destroyer of hurdles, that is Shri Ganesh. Part 3. Ehi Dinesh, Pranav, Ganesh, Gnananidhim Sanchinuyam. Ehi Sharde, Girije, Varde, Gnanvaridho Viharam. In this part of the poem, it says that come on Dinesh, Pranav, Ganesh, let's obtain, that is collect, the treasure of knowledge. Come on Sharda, Girija, Varda, let's move about, that is swim, in the sea of knowledge. Part 4. Tanva Manasa Hitam Charantah. Sada Gurun Anugachham. Bharat Matuhu Seva Satkarah. Desh Hitartham Jivam. In this part of the poem, it says that we are doing well for people with our body and mind. Let's follow our teachers, that is leaders. Mother India should be served and felicitated. Let's live for the well-being of the country. Students, did you understand this poetry?
Yes, teacher.
Great! Student, through this Sanskrit poem, it is talking about keeping our body healthy through sports and exercises. It is also saying to worship the God and use the knowledge to help others. Poem also teaches us the spirit of godliness and patriotism. Students, you should do exercises and play various sports with your friends to keep your body healthy and strong like Vajra.